Hello everyone, I'm Lash and welcome to my channel Tech Lash. Today I'm gonna tell you the best way to upload YouTube videos. If you follow this step, you will get more views and more subscribers. So let's go. So guys, let's go. Today I'm gonna tell you some important tips like how to upload your videos. Okay, I just opened my Chrome browser and you know that it's the main thing. You have to click the desktop site. If you just open the desktop site, now you can view the desktop mode. Okay, so first you have to click on the plus top video icon. It's right here. I'm gonna show you. Just click here. You have to just upload the videos. Just click on upload videos. Okay, so I will show you like drag or drop and file. Just click on drag and drop file to upload the video. Just click on files and any single video. I'm trying to use this video right now. I just uploaded this video. Okay, the file is uploading right now. So your first step is right. You have to add a title is the most important thing. You can also do this thing in Google's official YouTube application, and another one description also. So we are not talk about this thing because it's also available in YouTube's official app. The main thing is when you click the more option, you can find the tags. That's why I'm gonna tell you guys, tags are the most things. Like if you are playing any game, like suppose if you're playing Fortnite, so you have to add a tag Fortnite gaming, how to play Fortnite, important montage in Fortnite, like this type of tags. If you upload the tags, then anyone search in those tags, your videos are ranking up every single time, so your video will get more views. This is the only thing. You have to upload the videos right here. Some more important features are also available, like you can select the language. Language is the main thing to people can easily reach you. Okay, video location, if you want to upload any video location, you can also do it on video location. Yeah, also know the standard YouTube license or something. And last thing is news and category. It's all about the category. When you just click on the category, you will see like comedy, entertainment, people and blog, gaming, travel, sports. You can easily select the category. This will help you to categorize your video. That's why I said to download the Google Chrome and upload videos, not on YouTube's official app. Upload on Chrome, so you will get more views and more subscribers. I hope you like the video, and if you really think the video is important, make sure to like my channel and like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for joining.